Okay, you gotta have your smart key with you. The vehicle has to be off, and it's gotta be in park. One swift motion, a kick. You don't want to touch the vehicle, so underneath and back, and it'll open. So watch this. Kick and back, and it'll open. I don't have the feature, so I had to manually open it. But the kick feature, and I would assume that somewhere in the middle here is the sensor. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's the kick back feature. And you want to kick forward, and move it back. Don't leave your foot underneath there, and then it'll come up. It'll be a brief moment, so you can back up a little bit, so it doesn't get you. All right, we got a 2019 RAV4 and the kickback sensor. Let me look at my notes here. We got the kick sensor, hands-free power backdoor. We're gonna go to my manual, page 120. So anyway, so it'll open. Go like this, and then it'll open. So mine doesn't have that option. So I can't really, demonstrate it for y'all, but it really has it. Now I'm gonna read some stuff to you because sometimes you need read to, and so we open up here, and this is the kick hands-free power back door, and I'll give you something to look at. You can look at the window there, and so yeah, when the back door opening, closing, and locking the doors. So it's got the power back door. Where is it at? There it is, the kick sensor. Using the kick sensors, they're in there. See, mine doesn't. I wonder. AA. Mine has that, but the left one's missing. Using the kick sensor, hands-free power back door enables automatic opening and closing of the power back door by putting your foot near the lower center part of the rear bumper and moving it away from the rear bumper. Yeah, so when you do that, for mine, they took it out. I guess I didn't pay for the extra option. I don't know. Let me open this garage door. Let me open this and then look up. So here is what this is. Just like, see, look, it's all mangled up. This is open, and then this is closed, but this is where that's coming from. So they must have. It doesn't even look like there could be a sensor in there, but yours might have it. But you put your foot under and you pull back, and it'll be magical. I bet you if you take this off or whatever, it would be inside there. But anyway, I want to go try and do. All right, we got the trunk, and then how to open it. There is a button down here. I can get my hands. There we go. Picks up, and then there should be some sensors up here. Got grab bars. That's cool. I'm looking here. How many of these sensors? What's up there? And alright. As you can see, 30 to 50 centimeters from the rear bumper, and then hands-free power back door operation detection area. You gotta have your smart key. Perform a kick operation by moving your foot to within approximately 3.9 inches of the rear bumper and then pulling it back. Perform the entire kick operation within 1 second. The back door will not start operating while a foot is detected under the rear bumper. Operate the hands-free power back door without contacting the rear bumper with your foot. Another electronic key is in the cabin or luggage compartment. It may not take take slightly longer than normal. For the operation to occur,
Kick sensor, hands-free power back door, operation detection area. When the sensor detects that your foot is pulled back, a buzzer will sound and the back door will automatically fully open and close. If a foot is moved under the rear bumper while the back door is open and closed, the back door will stop moving. If a foot is moved under the rear bumper again during the halted operation, the back door will perform the reverse operation. Ooh, that's cool. Luggage compartment light. The luggage compartment light. Okay, we don't want to talk about that. That's another video. But yeah, the power back door feature is pretty cool. Back door closer. Ooh, we got that. That's neat. So the power back door, it's neat. It's a neat feature. I don't really like it because I don't want it. I don't need it. I can use my fingers and press the little button and open it like that because it's very simple and easy to do that. We're living in like a Wall-E type world. But if you want to kick your foot underneath there and have it automatically open, be my guest. But I am super glad I do not have that feature because it's just, I think it's lazy. It's just another way to gain weight. And I don't really need to gain weight because I know they should. We're active. So I'm not trying to shame anybody, but you got to be more active if you want to be fit. And being fit's awesome. I mean, look at this vehicle. It's got sleeks. See how it looks? It looks good. It's sleek. It's got curves. Look at it. Look, see? It's sleek. See? It's not all like fat. It's skinny. See that? It's a good car. All right. Pumping gas, pumping away. Pump, pumping gas, 10 gallons, pumping gas.